to the shocking news that England is one of the most nature-depleted countries on Earth. That's according to the latest State of Nature report. It was published this week and it was backed by more than 60 major environmental organisations. But there is hope. Marcella Whittingdale's been speaking to the Sussex Wildlife Trust about their plans to encourage vibrant coastal habitats right here in the southeast.
Grab a bucket and start exploring.
Scavenging seaweed, shells and even precious mermaids' purses. This seaside treasure hunt's just one way the children from Swiss Gardens Primary in Shoreham are learning about marine life.
It's been very fun because I've been exploring new things and finding new things that I've never noticed before.
We're finding like loads of seaweed, driftwood and like feathers and that from like seagulls. We learnt about because people are leaving plastic around, and I found so much plastic like rubber bands, gum packets, and because if an animal has them, or it can like endanger them.
Oh, so do you know what this is?
All of this exploration and examination is part of a wild beach session run by Sussex Wildlife Trust. What feels like fun is a learning exercise in marine biology and how the way we behave on land can help protect the sea.
We do all sorts of activities to get them interested and learning about their local coastline. So it's all about sort of fostering that care and ownership over their sort of local stretch of beach. So with the ultimate aim of them then wanting to protect their coastline and the marine environment.
A report out this week from the State of Nature Partnership, based on decades of research, paints a grim picture. It shows natural spaces and the wildlife that depends on them are in decline. The Wildlife Trust say here in Sussex, around 96% of kelp forests, crucial habitat for marine life, have been destroyed, while our internationally significant chalk reefs need careful protecting.
The report says since 1993 there's been a drop in the number of seafloor-dwelling fish on the south and east coasts of 23%. And when it comes to putting pressure on nature at sea, the main culprits are unsustainable fishing, climate change and damaging marine developments.
Along the coast in Brighton are new developments underway with ambitious plans for new sports and learning facilities. But before one brick is laid, it's the natural habitat that's the focus.
Here at Black Rock in Brighton, a rather special project's been going on. Around 1,000 extra plants have been put into these shingle beds to boost the seafront ecosystem.
They were grown from seeds native to the Sussex coast, kept at Kew's Millennium Seed Bank at Wakehurst in West Sussex, where nearly 2.5 billion seeds are stored in flood, bomb and radiation-proof vaults at -20 degrees.
We have extensive collections of seeds from across the UK, including shingle habitat seeds. It's a very fragile, mobile environment, but it also provides habitat for a number of different species, so invertebrates or bird life, as well as the plant life. It's important to use seeds and plants that are from the local area. We had to crack the seeds open and then we germinated the seeds and produced over 1,000 new plants.
That's seaweed, yeah?
Organisations like Sussex Wildlife Trust say there's an urgent need for more wildlife-friendly farming and fishing, as well as more investment in the environment. And while educating and engaging the public is important, without the input of politicians, protecting our oceans will never become the priority it needs to be.